आज से 3 दिन पहले कनाडा गवर्नमेंट और इंडिया गवर्नमेंट के अंदर बाईलेटरल रिलेशनशिप पे दोबारा बात होने लगी है। 966 कोर्सेज के अलावा बैचलर डिग्री और मास्टर डिग्री के लिए आप हमारी कंट्री में आते हो तो हम लोग आपका वेलकम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। भारत सरकार को 118 अरब डॉलर फॉरेन से ट्रांसफर हुए हैं इंडिया के अंदर। इट्स ए वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर द UCW दैट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ 95% employability.
How to attend interviews, what kind of body language, what kind of jobs they need to apply for, how to find jobs.
सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, मैं आपका परवीन अरोड़ा। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कनाडा के बारे में। कनाडा से स्पेशली हमारे साथ UCW यूनिवर्सिटी कनाडा वेस्ट के जो बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर हैं संयुक्ता गोविंद राजन जी हमारे साथ हैं। आज हम लोग इनसे ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे कनाडा के बारे में, पर उससे पहले हमें जानना चाहिए कि कनाडा की बात हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। बिकॉज आज से 3 दिन पहले कनाडा गवर्नमेंट और इंडिया गवर्नमेंट के अंदर बाईलेटरल रिलेशनशिप पे दोबारा बात होने लगी है। जो इनके डिस्प्यूट्स थे या जो कन्फ्लिक्ट्स जो पैदा हुए थे एक दूसरे के बीच में, दोनों कंट्रीज के बीच में, तो वो दूर होना स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। नए प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ चुके हैं और नए प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने रिसेंटली डाला है कि अगर आप हमारे देश में 966 कोर्सेज के अलावा बैचलर डिग्री और मास्टर डिग्री के लिए आप हमारी कंट्री में आते हो तो हम लोग आपका वेलकम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। लड़ाई किसी बात का सॉल्यूशन नहीं है। हमारे पास एग्जांपल रशिया और यूक्रेन का भी है जो आज फिर टेबल पे बैठना चाहते हैं। तो भारत भी अपने बढ़िया रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाहता है कनाडा के साथ, और सेम कनाडा भी भारत के साथ बढ़िया रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाहता है। तो उसी कड़ी में देखते हुए इन सब का बीच में जो रोल प्ले करेगा वो हमारा स्टूडेंट जो वहां पे जाएगा वो सबसे की रोल प्ले करता है। आज सुबह का एडिटोरियल पढ़ रहा था, भारत सरकार को 118 अरब डॉलर फॉरेन से ट्रांसफर हुए हैं इंडिया के अंदर जो 23 और 24 के बीच में। ये मेरा डाटा नहीं है, ये पार्लियामेंट के अंदर डाटा दिया गया, वहां पे बताया गया। अगर भारत से 40 से 50 अरब डॉलर जाता है तो 118 से 120 अरब डॉलर वापिस आ भी रहा है। और एजुकेशन की बात करें तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को एक ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर भी मिल रहा है, वर्ल्ड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर पढ़ने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है जहां पे वो अपनी एक पहचान बना सकते हैं वर्ल्ड लेवल पे। तो इसी कड़ी में आज हमारे साथ UCW के BDM जो है हमारे साथ है, उनसे हम कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे जो आप सबके करियर के लिए अच्छे होंगे। पहले हम इनसे खुद की इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं जी।
Thank you, sir. So this is Samyukta here, and happy to be here with Mr. Parveen. So yes, sir. Tell me.
थैंक यू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वांट टू वेलकम ऑन विजन वे प्लेटफॉर्म संयुक्ता गोविंद राजन जी। व्हाट इज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? जो हम लोग क्वेश्चंस वो पूछ रहे हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड है। व्हाट सेट्स द UCW apart from the other university in Canada?
Absolutely, sir. In many ways, UCW stands apart in terms of quality of education, the kind of accreditations, like we have the ACBSP and NCMA accreditations.
Okay.
So it matters a lot. It's not that everybody goes abroad and studies, but what kind of university are you going and studying at? It matters a lot. And what kind of benefits you are getting out of studying in that university. So this is quality education where it is accepted across the globe. So these accreditations like our MBA and BCom that we offer at UCW, these are very much accepted globally. So
Okay.
in case students study with us and then later have to travel to any other part of the country also, or any other part of the world, these accreditations help them to get it globally recognized.
Okay.
So that's a very big thing.
Well, the University Canada West is providing a quality education to the students, and the world recognized university, those are giving the better opportunity to explore themselves on the world level. Very good. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग लेते हैं। हाउ डज द UCW ensure its program are aligned with the industry needs and the job market trend? This is very important question, please.
Yes. So again, the kind of programs that we offer are all business related, and our university is located in Vancouver, which is a trade hub.
Okay.
So a lot of scope for students who are studying business courses with us. And now, to meet with the current trend, what we have done is we have inculcated supply chain management and artificial intelligence in our business
great.
courses.
मतलब UCW is coming in IT sector as well. Earlier it was in totally business.
It is totally business.
Okay.
But artificial intelligence inculcated in business. I mean, artificial intelligence along with
UCW is renowned for the business studies, and you want to retain that tag with the universities, and now in the business as per the demand of the time. You have introduced is the artificial intelligence. Very good. Today is the time is the for the artificial intelligence. Everybody knows that we are in a digital era, and artificial intelligence is a very key point, you can say. Without artificial intelligence, we can't imagine our business now. So this is a great initiative taken by the UCW University about the artificial intelligence. Really, I appreciate that.
Thank you. So this is only based on the demand from the students, and this is going to be a specialization in MBA.
Okay.
So the students can opt. I mean, it's not like, we have our general MBA as usual, which we've been offering over the past 20 years.
Okay.
We are there and we are offering a general MBA. But now on demand, we got the artificial intelligence, supply chain management, and also
Samyukta ma'am, one question I want to ask you. How many specializations we have in MBA?
so we have 10 electives that the students
10 electives.
Yes.
Okay.
10 electives that the students can choose in the second year. But now we have the latest thing we have come up with is the specializations, where on the degree they will have MBA supply chain management, MBA
Okay.
business analytics.
Earlier it was an elective subject. Now it's a specialization. MBA in supply chain management, MBA in artificial intelligence,
Yes, and business analytics.
and business analytics. Business analytics is the core demand of the industry. Without the analytics, we can't run our show. अगर आप लोगों के पास अपने बिजनेस के एनालिटिक्स नहीं होंगे, आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि लास्ट मंथ में हमने क्या किया और लास्ट ईयर में हम लोग क्या किया, वेयर वी हैव टू गो इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो विदाउट दैट वी कांट सर्वाइव. नाउ बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स इज द की पॉइंट ऑफ द सक्सेस. With artificial intelligence, I think a very good product has been launched by UCW University. That's really appreciable. Next question is that UCW is known for its focus on the business and technology. How does this specialization help the students in their careers?
So obviously, as I already told you, on demand we brought these specializations into place. So this will certainly help their job career, getting into good jobs and placements also. This is certainly going to help them going forward.
Now question is that earlier it was not there, trend was there कि I have to go Canada, मेरे को कनाडा जाना है, मेरे को कनाडा भेज दो. Now the time has been changed. जब कनाडा और इंडिया का डिस्प्यूट हुआ तो इंडिया ने भी अपनी मार्केट को, अपनी यूनिवर्सिटीज को प्रमोट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Now trend is that people are talking about India versus Canada, India versus UK. What different we are getting if we are sending our childs in Canada? अगर हम लोग कनाडा में पढ़ने के लिए भेजें तो what different they are getting, either parents or kid?
So there's a lot of exposure. See, as long as the child is in India, you're very protective about your child. You're
Yes.
not letting the child go out. You want to take care A to Z from morning till evening what the child is doing. You're not letting the child explore or learn something new. So when you're actually sending your child abroad, what happens is he gets a very, very wide exposure. And at University Canada West, we have 110 different nationality students studying with us.
Great.
Almost 14,000 students. So that's a very good scope for students to learn from each other. And that's a diversity, a huge diversity for the students to learn from different cultures.
Okay.
So that ambience, I think, will certainly teach life lessons for students more than, education. It is, they learn what life is and how they need to conduct themselves and be better human beings going forward.
वेरी ट्रू. कनाडा UCW यूनिवर्सिटी के पास इस टाइम पे 112 कंट्रीज से स्टूडेंट्स आके वहाँ पे स्टडी करते हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स को एक ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर प्रोवाइड करते हैं एज पर संयुक्ता मैम. और अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15,000 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स इस टाइम पे वहाँ पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं, जो अपने आप में ये एक बिग नंबर है. और UCW के बारे में मैम, संयुक्ता मैम, आई वांट टू नो समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर. हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स? व्हाट वी आर गिविंग अ डिफरेंट टू द स्टूडेंट्स एज कम्पेयर टू द कॉलेजेस, as compared to those colleges those are having a low fee structures and they are inviting to the students, which we are providing the just a gateway to the Canada. And UCW University, how it is different from the other colleges?
So, education for every student is paving a way for the future, right? So, it's the quality of education that we give. And of course, there is a leader in every student. Every student, there is a leader, but that is within the person. That's not coming out. So, we at University Canada West help that leadership qualities of the student to come out. So, we guide the students in such a way that they have that self-confidence, they gain that self-confidence along with just studying. It's, see, bookish knowledge is totally different. Experience gives a lot of knowledge or a lot of enlightenment to the students. They start realizing themselves, they start getting more confident about themselves. So that is more important, and that we pay students. See, we have a 95% employability as on date, but we don't say that we guarantee jobs. We don't say that, but we tune or we fine tune students to such an effect by the end of their course they are already, they are automatically absorbed into companies. So
Okay.
that is how we are able to maintain the 95% employability.
It's a very big achievement for the UCW that they are providing a 95% employability. जहाँ पे कनाडा में बात की जा रही है कि मार्केट के अंदर जॉब्स नहीं है या फिर वहाँ पे बच्चों को घूमना पड़ रहा है, उनको जॉब्स नहीं मिल रही, घर नहीं मिल रहा. एंड संयुक्ता गोविंद राजन जी आज हमारे साथ हैं, एंड शी इज सेइंग कि UCW is providing a 95% employability. It's really what I can say that fabulous job done by UCW that I will say. अगर आपको मास्टर डिग्री या फिर ग्रेजुएशन के लिए स्पेशली इन बिजनेस आपको कनाडा में जाना है तो आपको UCW के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. That I will say. Now question is that कि which kind of support we are giving to the students about their job placements, about their employment, what we are giving another extra faculty, extra support as compared to the other university or colleges.
Yes, so we have an extremely strong career development center on campus. The students have to register in the career development center from day one. Okay, so these students will be guided through the process, starting from part-time jobs to full-time jobs. They will be guided, literal hand-holding, starting from preparing their CVs, how to attend interviews, what kind of body language, what kind of jobs they need to apply for based on each student's profile. They will guide students as to what kind of companies they need to look for or what kind of jobs. And they will also keep updating them on the job search techniques, how to find jobs, all these. And that is what brings us to our 95% employability.
Very good. It's very much important because ultimately parents are sending the students in abroad just on the behalf of the university. If they will get any problem, then definitely they will take a support from the university, and it's really a fabulous job done by UCW. They are providing a good job, good support in the placements, good support in the part-time jobs, good support in the skills improvement. It's really appreciable that efforts you people are doing for the building a career of the students. Really appreciable. And can you tell us about the future plan and or the expansion or the new courses or the new collaboration for the Indian students which you are giving? What are the UCW future plan for the expansion, new courses or collaborations?
Okay, so as far as new courses are concerned, we've not come up with a new course as such, but we have come up with the specializations, which I've already told you, that MBA, instead of the general MBA that we were offering for the past 20 years, on demand and on requirement, we have come up with 3 specializations, which is the supply chain management, business analytics, and the artificial intelligence and leadership. Now, these will certainly pave way for a better future for students, more streamlined education, where we have also introduced the cohort system. So all the students who have opted for supply chain management will progress together. So, it will be more like, there's a lot to learn, as I told you, from each other. So go forward, progressing together in a separate section will certainly help students to learn from each other in a better way. So that's why we have brought cohort system and these specializations as the latest thing. And probably in 2026, university may announce few more, master's programs which are on the cards but yet to be announced.
Okay. Very good session with the Samyukta ma'am. Now in the last, we want to take a last bit from Samyukta ma'am. Why students should go in UCW, and any message you want to give to the students as the intake has been started now in India as well as in Canada, and the students have to choose either Canada or India. Why any message you want to give to the students through our Facebook and the YouTube? प्लीज।
Yes, sure. So I think this is the best opportunity for you guys to go ahead and start your applications. We are open for our July and October intakes right now. So you can start off with your applications. And one important thing I need to emphasize here is we are providing a scholarship of 17,400 CAD for UG program. That's the maximum scholarship that we are offering.
17,400 for complete graduation.
Yes.
Very good, ma'am.
And a maximum of 4,000 Canadian dollars for our MBA program. And I think this is the best time you should start exploring and go ahead with your applications, because this uncertainty, whatever you call it, this uncertain period you can use towards your education. So by the time you complete and graduate, I'm 100% sure things will get better and streamlined, and you can get into the job market immediately.
इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन। अगर आप कनाडा के अंदर जाना चाहते हैं और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म देख रहे हैं जो आपके करियर को बिल्ड करने में आपकी सपोर्ट करे, तो मेरा ओपनली आप सभी को एक इनविटेशन है कि आपको UCW यूनिवर्सिटी को चूज करना चाहिए। अर्लियर हम लोगों ने जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स को वहां पे भेजा है, ऑलमोस्ट वी गेट अ वेरी गुड फीडबैक फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोगों ने स्टूडेंट्स का फीडबैक नहीं लिया, स्टूडेंट्स ने प्लेसमेंट्स भी लिया है और दे आर डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब इन द डिफरेंट कंपनीज। और मेरे को लगता है कि इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का आपको बेनिफिट उठाना चाहिए। और इंडिया वर्सेस अब्रोड, मतलब भारत में आपको एडमिशन लेने से पहले आपको अब्रोड के ऑप्शंस जरूर देखने चाहिए और ये देखना चाहिए कि अगर आप अपने बच्चों को भारत के अंदर पढ़ा रहे हैं, जहां पे आप 10 लाख 12 लाख 15 लाख रुपए से बिजनेस की स्टडी करवाते हैं पर ईयर पे करके, और अगर आप इसी सेम स्टडी को आप कनाडा के अंदर कंटिन्यू करवाते हैं, तो आपको क्या बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है। चॉइस इज योर्स, आवर वोट इज फॉर UCW। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू स्मिता मैम, थैंक यू।